Today I'm trying something different.
So you know when you're making a grilled cheese and a little crisps up on the side? I'm gonna try and do just that. I didn't prepare anything. I'm gonna use the small one right here. Now I'm gonna get the cheese! Where is it? I can't find it! Cheese. Why did I put that on high? What am I getting a knife for? I already got the shredder out! Open it from the top here. So one time I was stuck in this haunted mansion. Whoa, I love shredding cheese. Whoa. Should I sing my shredding cheese song? No, because I'm done. No, that is not Solid Snake.
No, that is not Solid Snake.
See, what's different about this time and the last... time I did cooking was, it was nighttime before, and now it's, daytime. Back too small! No! No! So if this comes out good, guys, then you guys have to, yeah. Dude, I cut up some honeydew today. Hell yeah. Let's try this. Let's give this a shot, as the kids say. Boo! Did I scare you? I'm gonna let that cool. I'm gonna let it cool. You understand me? I'm letting it cool. Getting pretty close. Once it cools down, this will be a nice crisp.
I personally think this is your fault.